Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can delete Instagram account permanently. So let's get started. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. Now come at mobile screen where we will do it step by step. Okay, now just go to Instagram app, then click on profile icon in right bottom of app. Now click on these three line and go to setting. Then click on help and then click on Help Center. Now again, click on these three lines and go to delete your account. Now you have to click on little arrow of temporary deactivate your Instagram account and scroll down. In last, you see delete your Instagram account. Just click at here and you will be at this page. Now click on this Android, app help and change into mobile browser. Help. Now you need to scroll down and then click on delete your account. On click at little arrow, you have to mention the reason of why you want to delete your Instagram account. So I am going with privacy concerns. Now you need to enter your password in this fields and then click on delete and your account will hidden and it will be delete after 30 days. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.